How to run a time-consuming process in a WordPress plugin. My name is Slavi Marinov. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we've approached this in one of our plugins. And this video is an add-on to one of the blog posts that we wrote. And you can get to this article by going to orbisius.com/4263. That's orbisius.com/4263. One of our WooCommerce add-ons is called Orbisius Reset Download Limits for WooCommerce. Basically allows the site owner to reset the download limits for a given customer or for all customers. And that's usually applicable to WooCommerce virtual or downloadable products. A client of ours approached us and to let us know that he has 5,000 orders and those orders keep increasing, which is awesome. Currently, actually the previous version of the plugin worked as a normal plugin would do the processing. The admin user submits a form and the plugin does some work and returns the result. That's fine in most of the cases. But with clients that have lots amount of data, that process should be done differently, because every script or every program that runs on your site, it has a predetermined time that it can run, and after that it will be stopped. For PHP scripts, it's usually between 30 and 180 seconds. It really depends on the settings of the server, but this could be increased, of course, and there's multiple ways to do it. In this specific scenario, we decided to use wp-cron. That way, the solution will be simple and we don't have to make our customers do an extra work just to get this thing working. What we needed is to schedule one event, and the best function for this is calling wp schedule single event. Normally, WordPress cron jobs are recurring jobs that can run over time, let's say once a day, to clean something from the database or to send an email to the admin and so on. But in our case, we needed just for this event to fire just once. Here's some portion of the plugin, how it worked. So there's some parameters that are passed and there's a check, reset all. So if that's the case, then we're gonna call this function and we're gonna say we want this thing to run in 2 seconds. Literally. And this is the hook that's going to be called, and I'm passing here parameters, which is really nice and convenient. That way, just before the cron job call, I prepare the parameters. I send them to that action call. That way, when that call is triggered later on, it's going to get those parameters, which is super convenient. I don't have to go in and check the database for them. WordPress prepares them for me, actually passes them to my code. And this is the hook that gets called. Basically here, I'm saying WordPress trigger this cron job event, and below it, I subscribe to this event. This is the method that gets called. Here's the processing area. Do some awesome work. So that's about it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you need to reset your download limits, feel free to check that plugin. And if you're using WordPress staging sites, actually, why wouldn't you check out qsandbox.com. Ciao.